Hello! I'm glad to see you all here. Now for the more perceptive of you, probably realized by now that this is hell. And I am the devil. Good evening. If you don't know that, that's Rowan Atkinson monologue skit thing that he did. It's one of my favorites. I like it a lot. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today I have got a huge Sephora VIB sale haul. That is right, you guys. As many of you know, the holiday Sephora VIB sale has just now ended, actually yesterday. It ended yesterday as I'm filming this, and I want to show you the things that I got during the sale. And yeah, I put my fake tan on again last night and I did not wash my hands afterwards. I forgot. But I do want to go through and show you the things that I did pick up at the VIB sale. And yeah, I'm super hyped. It's probably going to be a longer video, so let's just get on into it. And if you're new to this channel, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you can click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, awesome, amazing family. And I'll have my Instagram linked right up here and in the description if you want to check me out over there and give me a follow over on Instagram. I would really appreciate it. Again, I am trying to grow my Instagram on that side, and we are starting to get more and more into the holiday spirit over there. So if you do follow me, thank you so much in advance. But let us get into this haul. So there were a lot of things that caught my eye during this haul, and I did get 20% off because right now I am a Rouge member. I don't know how long that is going to last, but right now I am. But let's just go ahead and start here. I'm just gonna pull things out of the box rather. Okay, so I got this from Summer Fridays. This is a soft AHA exfoliating solution. I have been trying to find, this is heavy. I didn't realize this was this heavy. I've been trying to find something that's kind of like a softer exfoliating thing, just because I do have such dry skin and I do have really sensitive skin. It's called the Soft Reset exfoliating treatment or something. Like, it's just like an exfoliator. And I think I looked at the description and I believe it's for all skin types or something along those lines. I don't know if this is going to be too harsh for my skin, but the packaging is super adorable and it's very heavy, so it's like super luxe. After cleansing, saturate cotton pad with the Soft Reset AHA exfoliating solution. Its formula is buffered with soothing aloe and hyaluronic acid, so you can use it every night. Sweep over face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Once fully absorbed, follow with moisturizer. So it's kind of like a toner exfoliator situation, but I wanted to try this out because it looked very promising, so I picked this up. Next up, I got this from Rare Beauty. This is the Always an Optimist 4-in-1 spray, and I actually picked this up because I've heard Kathleen rave about this setting spray and say that it's so good. So I love me a good setting spray. My Morphe Continuous Setting Mist is my favorite right now, but this one I will definitely try and see what I think, because again, she has raved about this setting spray and said that it's fantastic. Oh, look at that mist. It's so fine. It's a little water droplet-y, if you can see that, but I don't know, maybe I didn't do it right, but it's a little droplet-y on first application that I just now did. But I'm excited to try this out and really give it a good and fair test. So yeah, I picked this up, and I do like a lot of Rare Beauty stuff. So next up, I got this from Miss Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Walk of No Shame lip kit. It's the Lucky lip liner and lipstick. And I love the Sephora sales and Ulta sales, because you get like these little like kits and like little duos and everything, and it's very cute. So this is the Lip Cheat from Charlotte Tilbury, and it's in the shade Walk of No Shame. It's what the kit is, but I actually have already used this and I thought the color was really pretty, and the formula on these lip liners are very nice, and then you do get a full-sized lipstick of the same shade. So it is kind of like a dark kind of deep kind of terracotta brownish red. Really great for the winter time. I think it's like super winter time, and I love that. So let me swatch it for you just so you can kind of see, because it is a really nice kind of plummy, dark, purpley reddish brown color. Really, really pretty. So I do like it, and I think it's great for the wintertime. So I picked that up. Next up, oh, I got another one of the Patrick Ta Suede Matte Lipsticks because I'm actually wearing the red orange one right now. I love this lipstick so much. It is so nice. But I wanted to get another shade. But this is a really, really nice, deep, kind of purpley color. It really reminds me of the Fenty Beauty Underdog liquid lipstick, which is one of my favorite liquid lipsticks, especially for the winter and fall time. It is so dark and vampy, and I'm super into those colors. I know they're not for everyone because they are very dark and they're very bold, but I can't get over them. They're so sexy, in my opinion. They're so like mysterious and like hot. So I'm really into these, and I also got the matching lip liner as well because I really find that when you wear dark lipsticks, a lip liner actually really does help. I have been transformed by the world of lip liners within the past couple of months because I used to never use them, as many of you know. I used to never use lip liners. I didn't really understand the point of them, but now that I have been using them, I get it. I get it now. So yeah, so I got another one of these, and I do quite like it already. But next up we've got here, oh yeah, I went ahead and picked up another one of my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencils in the shade 3.75. I use these quite a lot, and I also have been using the Milani Weekend Brow a lot recently because I really freaking like that. I still use this a lot too, so I went ahead and picked up a replacement for this. Next up, oh my god. So, I got a replacement for my Tom Ford Flame lipstick, which I'm not even out of yet. Like, I haven't even used the first one fully yet, but I went ahead and got a replacement for it because it was part of the sale and it's 20% off. I would never, well, never say never because I have before, but I will not in the future buy this lipstick unless it's on sale because it is just too damn expensive. But it's one of my favorite lipsticks of all time. It's a beautiful, beautiful color. I'm just obsessed with it. I love this lipstick with my entire heart and soul. So when it's on sale, and if I need any, then I'll maybe repurchase. But I did go ahead and get this again just because it was on sale, and whenever I run out of the one that I already have, I'll have another one. Good lord. Okay, next up, oh, I got a lipstick from Pat McGrath, and this one right here is a very, very pretty, and this one, ooh, look at the little heart. I love that. And this one is in a kind of, ooh, look at that. It's in a nude, kind of pinky nude color. Really, really beautiful. And I haven't used this one yet, as you can probably tell, but don't mind my horrendous swatch. But this is a beautiful kind of, let me change fingers. This is a beautiful kind of cool toned light pink color, and I just think it is so beautiful. I have not used this on my lips yet, but I will absolutely do that because I think this is such a nice color. I mean, yeah, I'm really into it. Look how pretty that is. They're all still within the same realm of like winter tones, which I'm so into right now. I will say that I don't like the Pat McGrath packaging for this launch that she did. I don't know, even with the Blitz Astro Quads, I got one of those and I don't like the packaging. It's not the same. It's like, it just feels like it's not really there anymore. It just came in a box. It wasn't like, I don't know, it wasn't as nice. And this right here, it doesn't have the little tie, like the little tie bit that the rest of the lipsticks come in. It doesn't feel as luxe. I don't know what's happened, but I guess it really is the product that matters and not the packaging, but I like the packaging. I actually got a lot of things for lips this time. I got another thing from Charlotte Tilbury, and this is the Pillow Talk Lip Secrets bundle. I love the shade Pillow Talk. It is one of my favorite Charlotte Tilbury shades, and I got this little lip set. And here is what it looks like on the inside. You've got the Pillow Talk lipstick, and this is a full size as well. It's just one of my faves. It's such a beautiful shade. It's just a very muted brownie kind of nude color, and I really, really love it. Here's what it looks like right there. Definitely the lightest out of all of these, but I still think it's a beautiful color. There is a Lip Cheat lip liner in the same shade. And this right here, what is this? Is this a liquid lipstick or a gloss? I'm not... Oh, look at the little doe foot. It's a little heart. That's adorable. I believe this is lip gloss. It is. And it's just in the same shade. It's just kind of, it's just a light lip gloss. And then this one right here is in a really cute packaging. It's got like glittery top. Oh, so this is a collagen lip mask. I didn't know that. That's cool. So this right here is the lip gloss, and it's like, what's it called? Jewel Lips. This one is the lip gloss. I'm actually gonna put it over top. Ooh, it looks really pretty over top of the lipstick. I like that. And the other one is a collagen lip mask. I love that. That's really cool, and I'm glad to have that in there. So I got this little set, which is very cute. And then I've got two eyeshadow palettes, which I'm very excited about. This one is the first one that I got. It is the Huda Beauty Naughty palette, and again, I did already use this. I filmed a video on it a few days ago, and if this video goes out before that video, then you'll see that soon. If the palette review has come out, then I'll have it linked right up here if you haven't seen it. But yeah, I have already used this, and I will let you watch my other video so you can see my thoughts. But yeah, I did pick this up because it was part of the sale, which is so cool. I'm really glad that it came out during the sale so we could get it 20% off. And then, oh, let me just show you the shades. Like, I might as well. Here are what these shades look like. As you can see, that some of them are already used, but it is just a very, very kind of, you know, sexy, mysterious, vampy look. I believe that Huda did say that this is kind of like a reimagining or a adding on to the original New Nudes palette. And yeah, I think it's really, really cute. And then the last palette that I got, this is the new Natasha Denona Trio, I know how to say that word, Trio Chrome palette. And you guys, I am, for number one, obsessed with this packaging. Like, hello, I love this packaging. And then this is the same. Look at this. This is so cool. And then when you open it up, here are what these shades look like inside. And I'm so excited about this. I cannot wait to play around and try this out. I have not touched any of these shades at all, so I legit cannot wait. And I love the fact that each of these are lined up. So like any of these could be used in this row, any of these could be used in this row, and any of these could be used in this row. And I know that Natasha's palettes are laid out in a way to where, you know, you could use this quad, this quad, this quad, this quad. You can use all of these other quads as looks, and even if you went in a diagonal, you can use these shades, and they'll all look good together. So I love how her palettes are laid out, and I'm so excited to try this. Natasha is one of the queens of eyeshadow, in my opinion anyways, and I'm super excited, and I cannot wait to play with this. I will be doing a review pretty soon on this palette, absolutely, because it's so freaking cool. But yeah, you guys, those are the things that I got at Sephora. Yes, that does complete this haul. Those are the things that I picked up during the Sephora VIB sale. And yeah, I really hope that you did enjoy this video. If you participated in this sale, if you got anything from this sale, please let me know in the description and in the comments, I mean, what you got. And yeah, I really want to know that because I do love hearing what other people have to say and seeing what other people are trying out too, because I love trying new makeup. I love playing and testing new makeup. So I'm really into that. But yeah, you guys, I really hope that you did enjoy this video. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!